Hi everyone, welcome back to Moksha Bhumi. In the last video, we learnt about Jagaddala University or Jagaddala Mahavihara. In today's video, we shall learn about Nadia University, which was formerly known as Navadvip. Before going to the video, don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon for more notifications. Like, comment and share the video. Myself Vishnudasan, I once again heartily welcome you all into Moksha Bhumi. Nadia University. Nadia, formerly called as Navadvip, located at the confluence of Ganga and Jalangi rivers in Bengal, which was set up after the destruction of Nalanda and Takshashila universities. Many subjects including logic, Vyakaran, politics and laws were taught here. There were three centers, namely Navadvip, Shantipur and Gopalapura at the university site. There has been records of students studying for as long as 20 years. 15th century Indian philosopher and logician Raghunatha Shiromani set up a school of logic at Nadia University. Since then, discussions were part of the curriculum and were considered to be the essential qualification of a teacher of this university. Students seeking admission and teachers appointed were required to give a test on this quality. Nadia University produced innumerable scholars from time to time. Worth mentioning are Jayadeva, who composed Gita Govinda. Excavations led to the unearthing of several of the aforementioned ancient universities, which find mention in numerous ancient records, including accounts by foreign travelers to India. More excavation will lead to more discoveries. It is time the citizens of India who are driven by the notion that British civilized India should emerge from the covering of the fake pupa and discard the colonial mindset. When India was civilized with foreign students basking in India's knowledge heritage, British then had no identity of their own. We should learn this. Nobody came to civilize us. We were civilized already. And all others who were not civilized came to India and learned knowledge here, then they went back and civilized themselves. This university was formerly known as Navadvipa. As you can see, Jayadeva, writer of Gita Govinda, is a graduate student of this university. Nowadays, ISKCON or the people following Achintya Bheda or Gaudiya Vaishnava say that he was a great writer of poem known as Gita Govinda. He is so much famous in Bengal side. And there were so many others who studied at this university, and later they gave some knowledge to others too. Always learn that we were civilized. Nobody civilized us. This is the main motto we should think about. India was once a Vishwaguru and will always be a Vishwaguru. That's the reason that so many are trying to degrade us. If people of India think that they are not strong enough, they are not knowledgeable enough, then we will accept what they say. This was the main motto of so many invasions on India. So many people invaded us, and we still stand as a strong tree. We are We are the students. We are the Guru. We are the best civilized persons. Don't forget to follow in our ancestors' footsteps. Always be grateful to them and always learn from our scriptures and also teach others on our scriptures. That's the information we got about Nadia University. In the next video, we shall learn about Nagarjuna Vidyapeeth. Until then, Vishnudasan signing off.